Hello dear automobile enthusiasts. Today, in a world where ordinary cars disappear on the road, there is an automobile hero that we will introduce you to, a beauty that will take driving pleasure to the highest level, Hyundai Tucson. Yes, this car shines not just on the road, but also in the styling and comedy arenas. Now grab a cup of tea, settle into your chair comfortably, and let's dive into this wonderful adventure in Tucson's exterior design. First, let's take a look at the front end of the Tucson. Its headlights are sharp and eye-catching, as if it were wearing a ninja mask. If these headlights could talk, they'd probably say, "Shining in the dark of the night looks good on me, doesn't it?" He would crack a joke. As if the vehicle was a pirate ship, it raced with other cars while shouting, "Ahoy, other vehicles! I'm here, get ready." He looks like he wants to shout. Hyundai Tucson's grille looks like a smile. If this grille could talk, it would probably say, "Hello world. Love me, because I love you." He would greet me with a greeting. The grille challenged the persistent gaze of other cars and said, "Yes, you will never regret meeting me," says. Now let's move on to his side profile. The Tucson's lines are elegant and striking, as if it came straight off a fashion runway. If these lines could talk, they'd probably say, "Let's organize a fashion show together, I'm ready to hit the stage," he would invite. The side windows sparkle like the winners of a beauty contest. While these glasses allow the wind to hit your face while driving, they also say, "Yes, aren't you glad to meet the beauty of these glasses?" He grins. When we come to the back of the vehicle, the stop lights look like they are performing a concert light show. If these lamps could talk, they'd probably say, "Are you ready to dance with our lights? The show's on," he would shout. The rear design greets you in a modern and stylish way. If the rear of the vehicle could talk, it would probably say, "Welcome, we've prepared a special show for you tonight." He wouldn't hesitate to greet you. When we move on to the general structure, Tucson's dimensions fascinate you. The spaciousness of the interior makes you feel as if you have stepped into a castle. If this interior could talk, it would probably say, "Welcome sir/sir, here we offer you the combination of luxury and comfort." He would organize a welcome party. As a result, the exterior design of the Hyundai Tucson is not just the outer shell of a car, but also a work of art and a manifesto of beauty. This vehicle not only takes you from one place to another, it is also the pioneer of style and entertainment. Now, dive into the wonderful world of Tucson and enjoy the ride. Now, here we are with a brand new Hyundai Tucson, which is not just a vehicle, but also opens the door to the inner world of a car. This vehicle not only takes you from one place to another, but also tells you, "Fun and comfort go one step further with me." If you're ready, settle into your car seats and let's dive into Tucson's world of interior design and technology. First, let's take a look at the Tucson's interior. The interior design is like the control center of a spaceship. When you sit here, you will feel like a captain. The seats embrace you and seem to say, "Welcome sir, where would you like to go today?" he asks. If these chairs could talk, they'd probably say, "Hey, are you comfortable? Because I'm going to take you far," he would say. The vastness of the interior is as if a circus was held inside. When you sit in the driver's seat, you will feel like a king, not a clown. The color combinations inside the vehicle are like a work of art. If these colors could talk, they would probably say, "Life is a riot of colors, it gets more colorful every moment with this car," he would shout. Now, let's take a look at the equipment inside this technological wonder vehicle. First, the multimedia system. If this system could talk, it would probably say, "Hey, I'm here. Driver, keep an eye on me and I'll provide you with entertainment," he would say. The touch screen works as if by a touch of magic. When you touch your fingers to the screen, it says, "Yes, sir, I am at your disposal." I feel like saying. The sound system of the vehicle is as good as a concert hall. If speakers could talk, they'd probably say, "We make music and art here, are you ready to dance to our speakers?" He wouldn't hesitate to ask. The sound system allows you not only to hear the music, but also to feel it. Maybe the speakers have a bit of ego, but who cares? It can also be nice for your ego to shine in the music world. The technological features in Tucson are not only about entertainment, but also about safety. The lane tracking system tries to keep you on the right track, like a teacher. If this system could talk, it would probably say, "Driver, if you move a little to the left, I will warn you immediately, you are safe," he would say. The parking assistant, on the other hand, allows you to park your car in even the narrowest spaces without any problems, as if you were a parking genius. If this feature could talk, it would probably say, "Driver, just leave the steering to me, I'll take care of this," he claimed. The interior design and technology of the Hyundai Tucson make it seem like not only a car, but also a friend is traveling with you. This vehicle reminds you that a car can do more than just get you from one place to another. Now, sit back comfortably and enjoy this adventure where Tucson takes you on a journey full of fun and comfort. Finally, we will focus on the engine power and performance of Hyundai Tucson, which blows the roads like a storm and is a hero in terms of speed. Are you ready? Because this video will put you in a speed dream. Let's dive into Tucson's engine. This engine is quiet and mysterious, as if it had been through ninja training. This beauty under the hood beats like the heart of a superhero. If this engine could talk, it would probably say, "Yes, I'm here and I'll fill you with fun as you embark on this journey," he would say. Now, let's move on to the Tucson's performance. This vehicle resembles the steps taken by an athlete on the running track. The acceleration feature is like firing a rocket. If this acceleration could talk, it would probably say, "Driver, get ready, because this speed will not be enough for you anywhere," he would shout. Tucson is not just a vehicle, it's also a speed machine. Let's take a look at the vehicle's braking system. The brakes look like they hold the unstoppable powers of a superhero. If brakes could talk, they'd probably be saying, "Wait, world, Tucson is coming and now we're taking a break," he would shout. These brakes not only ensure your safety by stopping you quickly, they also ensure your safety by saying, "Hey, I'm here," says. Tucson's transmission is like a magic wand in the hands of a wizard. Gear shifts are like a dance show. If the transmission could talk, it would probably say, "Driver, how about dancing with me?" Changing gears is actually a lot of fun. He would invite you. Let's move on to fuel economy. The Tucson's fuel consumption is balanced, as if it were holding the breath of an accordion. If fuel economy could talk, it would probably say, "Driver, don't worry, long distances won't be scary with me. I'll entertain you and save money for your pocket," he would guarantee. The suspension system of the vehicle is like the flawless movements of a professional dancer on a dance floor. If the suspension could talk, it would probably say, "Driver, despite all the road imperfections, I will carry you comfortably, plus I will add fun," he would reassure you. As a result, the engine power and performance of Hyundai Tucson is not just a vehicle, but also a speed and entertainment package. This vehicle not only takes you from one place to another, but also turns this journey into an adventure. Now, take the steering wheel in your own hands to enjoy the speed and performance of Tucson and enjoy the road. If you liked the video, please click the like button, subscribe, and do not forget to express your thoughts about the video in the comments. Goodbye.